RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. Super excited today. Got this 14 scale WLTOYS brushless Buggy. Got this sent to me from Hobbex. Really excited. So this is of course the brushless version of that super popular, I think you might even call it viral 14 scale Buggy from a couple of years ago. The 144001, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of us who bought it also converted it to brushless because it's such a great platform. And yeah, they've released this one. And I'm a little late on the train here, but I got this sent to me, so I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get this out of the box and have a look at it. Tools, instruction manual, USB charger. Ooh, nice. Okay, so there we go. It looks really good. If I'm totally honest, I might prefer the color scheme on the brushed version, but this looks fast. I really like the red to the orange to the yellow there, and some flames almost. So yeah, got the more like off-road tire type that we've seen on the 112 scale brushless versions. Got the oil shocks, which are great, metal shock towers, and before we take off the body, we can have a look at the transmitter, the V2 transmitter with the blue wheel. This sits really nice in your hand, and I really like this one. And there we go. Close up here. Got the 60 amp ESC. Not sure about the kV rating on the motor. I'll put there somewhere here. On-off switch. The 3-wire servo, which I love. Some extra connections there if you want to add lights or something else cool. Otherwise it's basically the same as the brushed version. No need to upgrade anything of that. Such a great platform, can handle a lot of power, so I'm really excited about this brushless version. These tires are great, they grip like, yeah, they are awesome. So I'm really excited to give this a go. The box says 75 kilometers per hour. I'm going to give that a test, of course. And I'm pretty sure that the ESC is capable of 3S, so we might give that a try in a future video. I don't think I've got one where I'm at the moment. Battery, I mean. So we'll run this on the stock blue LiPo, and it looks fun. I'm really excited. Leave a link down below to Hobbex's website if you want to check it out. Of course, these are a little bit more expensive these days. WLTOYS have jacked up their prices a little bit, and yeah, everything is more expensive, so not much to say about that. This is the brushless updated version, so still not expensive if you consider what you get, which is a badass Buggy with lots of power. It looks great. I'm super happy that I got this, and yeah, let's give this a proper test run. Peace out. fitted the GPS on top of the roof there on the body. Couldn't really fit it underneath. Out on, oh, it's a lot of power. Out on a speedrun location here. And it feels great. Stable. Ooh, it's fast. Running it on the stock 2S LiPo, and man, that's fast. Just screams down the straight here. So let's see what kind of speed we achieved there. Stop, read 68. So that's not bad at all. Maybe I'll give it another pass here, see if we can beat that. Track start. So yeah, let's give it another pass. This is awesome. I love it. Imagine this on 3S. I would say that it's not drivable though. 2S is more than enough. Whoa! Almost went off the road there. Let's give it a read. Man, look at that bright body. Colors are amazing. So stop. Read 69. Not bad at all. Little badass truck. So let's take this to some better bashing place and have some fun with it. I would probably call this proper spot for this to be ram. Woo! No. The power in this thing is pretty crazy. Let's see if I can get some speed without spinning out straight away. Whoa, look at that go. It's yeah. It's so much power. Got a gravel shower there. Wheelie. These off-road tires they're fitting to the brushless versions are pretty good. Nice grip. Unfortunately, there's no jumps here, but I think we can get some decent shots anyway. A small delay in the throttle. Let's see if I can demonstrate it. Like barely noticeable, but it's there. Yeah, they did a great job on this one. Whoa. A little low ground clearance maybe for this type of... Oh my... I think it's fine. I don't know how I managed to do that. Yeah, it's fine. That's another thing with this. The durability is unmatched. So yeah, I really like it. Another crash. A little rough surface maybe, since the ground clearance is pretty low. See if I can pick up some speed maybe. Nope, wheelie. Wheelie. Since it's such a bouncy and uneven surface, the front end pops up and wheel is super easy. Ooh, there you go. Nice. Yeah, I love it.